to me, proclaim all these words in the towns of Judah and in the streets of Jerusalem. Listen to the terms of this covenant and follow them from the time I brought you, your forefathers, up from Egypt until today. I warned them again and again, saying, obey me, but they did not listen or pay attention. Instead, they followed their stubbornness and their evil hearts. So we are significant no significant. Umasina was pepi. Umasina was yapi. Umasina was Israel as well. Umasina we king as Israel. Umasina was Messiah. Especially yathizwe kunjalo nakimi uma ngihlukaniswa nabantwana bami. Ungathi ukuthi kumnandi bazalwane uma usuka kuJehova. Ubuhlungu bonkulunkulu ngoba ayikho bazalwane uNkulunkulu into angasenzeleyo usenzele bonke. Okutheni masiyahlekile wayikhipha yakhe indodana yogcina njengo-Abraham. Sizwa uNkulunkulu eshiya umuntu